Former MP Jolaine Silvera charged with wife's murder. Two men taken into custody following ganja seizure in St. Elizabeth. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Former Member of Parliament for St. Mary Western, Jolaine Silvera, has been charged with the murder of his wife, Melissa. Detectives assigned to the Police Major Investigation Division laid charges today after a third string of questions. The St. Elizabeth Police have arrested and charged two males of Kingston addresses who were stopped during an operation in Burn Savannah, St. Elizabeth on Tuesday, January 16. They are 32-year-old taxi operator Nehemiah Harris, otherwise called Ted of Rodney Road, Kingston 13, and Jabari Gale, otherwise called Tallman of Spanish Town Road, Kingston 13. Reports are that during a police operation, a grey 2010 Toyota Probox motorcar with Harris and Gale on board was signaled to stop. The driver complied, the vehicle was searched, and three large black plastic bags containing matters resembling ganja weighing 65 pounds were found in the trunk of the said motorcar. The men were taken into custody and charged with possession of ganja, dealing in ganja, and trafficking ganja.